Today I'm making miso dressing. Miso dressing is a versatile sauce that's easy to make and adds a flavorful punch to any dish. There's really only two things you have to do for this recipe, and one is to grate the ginger and the other is to add everything to the bowl and stir it all together. You can also mince the ginger. I like to use the grater because it helps make the ginger easier to mix into the sauce. And then we're gonna add miso to stir the ginger and the miso together. Already smells so good. And then add the liquid. So we're gonna add some rice vinegar or rice wine vinegar. If you don't have that, you can always just use white vinegar. I like to add a little bit of liquid to start and then add more as you whisk it in, because if you go from just the paste to a lot of liquid, it gets sloshy. Now we'll add the sesame oil. I am using toasted sesame oil. You can also use just plain sesame oil. I think this is just what they have at the grocery store. Also with sesame oil, a little bit goes a long way, so don't go overboard. And then we're gonna add water. So this is a thinner sauce. If you want a thicker sauce, just use less water. Also, taste it and feel free to add more of something if you want. I'm adding more miso because I like miso a lot. I recommend doubling this recipe because it doesn't make very much and it lasts for a week or two in the fridge. You can put it on your salads. It's really good on salmon or any other type of fish. It's good on chicken. I've made potato salad with it. It's good on everything. I highly recommend it. My eyes aren't waking up. Come on. Just did 30 seconds without filming. Good times. But I don't remember the measurements. I highly recommend it. That's why I'm making a video about it. Perfect. For the full recipe, visit Living Well Kitchen.